Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use two WhatsApp accounts or multiple accounts on just a phone, and this is very easy. So all we need to do is to just go to the Google Play Store and download the Dual Space Light multiple account. And after installing it, we are going to do our settings. So as we open, we can see WhatsApp there. So we are going to click on the WhatsApp and we are going to do our settings. So let me just check the phone number. The phone number is new, so it's not in here. So let me just check it. Yeah, just So let's wait for our confirmation code to be sent to us so that we can verify it. So this is the second WhatsApp, and the first WhatsApp will be the one you normally use on your phone. So after you finish downloading the app, this second WhatsApp will already be on it. So as you can see, our code 115289. So 115289. And then you are going to skip the install Google Play services. You have to skip it, but if you like, you can install it, but it's going to be a waste of time. Then restoring the message from the media. I've used the phone that's same for WhatsApp before, so you can choose to do backup or something. And I don't know, it's really like my backup won't work because I didn't do any backup. So it says sorry, you're unable to restore any of your message backup. So we just click on our next and start chatting with our WhatsApp. And after chatting with it, you can now go back to your other WhatsApp and be using it, because that one is also gonna work for you. So as it has finished loading, we are going to just type the name in it. And then now, as we can see, this is our WhatsApp now. Yes, this is our second WhatsApp. So all we need to do, so as we can see, I've even received a message from it. So all we need to do now is that we have our WhatsApp, and I'm going to go to my real WhatsApp on my phone, and you see that yes, now I have two multiple accounts. So as we can see, this one is different from the other one. All you need to do is to download the Dual Space Lights and open it and click on WhatsApp. You can do same to Messenger. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you.